guys, it's Wadz with the Wadz Up channel. Thanks for joining me again today. We're back at West Coast Off-Roaders, and the team is helping me with part 3 of my Overland build. So, if you haven't seen part 2 or 1, go back to my playlist and check out those parts of the build so you can get up to speed from the beginning. But today, on part 3 of our Overland build, we're specifically addressing armor and recovery and lights for the F-150. Now let's go check out some of this gear, and I'll give you some feedback on some of the choices I made to try and help you guys with some of your decisions if you're in the same boat as me, building your Overland vehicle for adventure. All right guys, let me introduce you to Throttle Down Kustoms bumper. Now these guys out of the USA in Montana. Now they're fabricators that specialize in steel bumpers. They specialize in making frames for hot rods, Jeeps, rock crawler buggies. That drill is how I feel inside right now. That's the most annoying sound ever. Coming together. This bumper here is an absolute monster. You know you're doing an Overland build when you're removing body parts. You're in an area where you've got your truck and you're rolling down the road and you're worried about hitting an elk or a deer. This is your answer. Got a real aggressive look, but the attention to the detail is phenomenal. Like it's all hand welded. It's CNC laser cut steel. I've noticed with some other bumpers in the industry, while they look really nice, when you get them up to the truck, the fitment is not always where you want it to be. You'd be surprised on how many thousands of dollars you can spend on a bumper only to get it onto your vehicle and go, hey, how come that's not level? These guys are all hand built, so I'd recommend you check them out. You pay for what you get in a bumper. These guys are truly unique. They're called Throttle Down Kustoms, TDK. Guys, we're burning the midnight oil here. We just got this bumper installed here. You can see we got the slasher lights in here. I like how they're protected by the bumper. Almost 1,500 lumens each. We've also got the Slasher Performance light bar in there. I like the finished look. This is also a Throttle Down Kustoms bumper. Excited to get off the old and put on the new and get this thing all prepared for some overlanding. Piece of armor, really what it is. So we're gonna put the Slasher lights in there. Oh yeah! So we're gonna have the exhaust come out right here. So now we're putting in the Slasher Performance. They're called flush mount LED cubes. So that's a polycarbonate lens, and the housing's a die-cast aluminum. They'll be nice and durable because they're got that IP68 rating, and they're really affordable. $100, I want to say, for a pair. Guys, we got the bumper on. Here's what the finished product looks like. Have a look at these welds. You got a more aggressive departure or angle here on the bumper, you can see. I was very impressed. Everything from how it how it ties in the light, how it protects the light, the recovery, the thickness of the steel, how it ties in with the winch. It fit the Slasher Performance lights just perfectly. They're nice and protected there. So thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you like this part of our build. And we're not even anywhere near close to finishing yet. So click the notification button there so you can see what we're up to next. If you haven't subscribed, well, consider subscribing. And yeah, until next time, stick around for the next part of our Overland adventure build on the F-150. Thanks for joining me, guys. Peace.